Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Toolkit. In today's tutorial, we will learn about how to read data in Pyspark. So if you want to get hands-on experience with Pyspark, you can practice for free using Databricks Community Editions. So simply you can click on this link and sign in to the database. So once you sign in, you will get this page. This is the home page. And I click on the workspace. Here I will create one folder, that is Pyspark, where we can practice here. So folder is created. Now let me create the notebook within that folder. So this is our notebook, and let me rename the notebook name tutorial Pyspark. And you can see here Markdown, Python, SQL, Scala, R. These all languages are available into the Databricks, and Python is the by default language. Now let me click the Markdown, and here I will give the heading data reading. And you can see I have created the cluster. You can connect to your cluster, and let me show you if I want to upload the table. So you can see here is the option available, create table. So click on create table, click on files, and here I will upload my file. So you can see the data is also available here, a file path. Just copy this file path, and you can see guys, create table in notebook. If you click on this option, you are able to see the file name, file type. See, the applied option are for CSV file, for file types, and everything, all the details here. Create view or table. Now go to our notebook. So we have uploaded a table, right? So now let me create the data frame, spark dot read dot format. We have to define the format. What is your format? It is a CSV file. So provide the CSV, and data frame Spark reader is nothing but it is the API with the Pyspark. Then we will provide here our schema. Infer schema is true. Dot option will provide the header also. Header is also true. And now we will load our data. And here we will provide the file path, which I have already copied. Now let me execute this. Okay, syntax error. Okay, let me check. Okay, let me add semicolon here, comma here. Now let me run. Okay. So you can see a Spark jobs is succeeded. So here you can see the status. It is succeeded, submitted the day, your date. You can see how much time duration it took, 0.7 seconds. So here is the all the details available. Same way you can see the job too. And now let me show you our data. So you can see this is our file. This is a huge file. So in this way you can read the data in the Pyspark CSV data. Now we will see how to read the JSON file. How to read JSON. Okay. So go to the catalog, create table, and we'll provide the driver JSON. Open. And go to the notebook. Let me delete this cell. Okay, so here we'll define df json is equal to spark dot read dot format. So let me type this, and now let me execute. So you can see it is executed successfully. Now let me display dot display. You can see this is our JSON data. So in this way you can read the multiple files or the different file format into the Pyspark in Databricks. So you can see I have mentioned here multi-line is false because JSON will store in single line format. So that's why I have mentioned this multi-line false. One more thing guys, if you don't know the file path or if you forget this path, you can simply use the fs.ls command and you can find out your path. So let me show you. And execute this command. So you can see tables are there. So let me execute this now. Okay, what happened? Okay. Now let me run. So you can see this file, actually I have uploaded this multiple times, that why it is showing this much. But if you select this and if you don't know the path and if you forget the path, simply you can type the dbutils.fs.ls and you are able to find your path. So this is the my file name. You can see sales data 3.csv. 1, 2 is also there available. So in this way you can find the path, you can copy from here and you can paste here. So guys, if you feel this video is informative, please like, comment and share my video. Thank you for watching. Keep growing and learning.